drivers, we need to talk. Things are getting bad. And you're like, what is a cage driver? Well, if you're not a motorcycle rider and you are safe inside of a cage, inside of your motor vehicle, you're a cage driver. Whereas motorcycle riders, we are uncaged, right? And the reason why I word it that way is because we are protected. We don't have, steel frame, and we don't have safety glass or any of these things that keep us protected like you cage drivers have. And so what tends to happen is when you're around an uncaged rider, a lot of you folks... Now, okay, let me start over. Tremendous number of you cage drivers are incredibly considerate to us motorcycles. Dude, are you fucking serious? Fuck, dude. You're driving a fucking Model A, dude. It's not like you're fucking... Wow, okay, anyway. Point in fact right there is just... You cage drivers don't care about any but yourselves. Now, there are, of course, exceptions to these rules. There are plenty of wonderful, aware, considerate drivers out there who see us and do things like this. You all should know that every single one of us motorcycle riders really appreciate it. When we see you, see us, right? It's less about how much room you gave me on the road. I had plenty of room to lane split and get by ya. I had plenty of room. However, it's the gesture of you going, I see you, I'm not going to hit you. That means more than the room I've been given, right? So, coming back to my original point about these cage drivers who are not considerate of motorcycle riders at all. They only care about themselves and how fast they can get to their destination. They expect motorcycles to always be going fast, no matter what. They expect us to make way for them. And and we just have to eat it if they are unhappy with how fast we're riding, and we just got to deal with it. They're gonna just take whatever action they need to do whatever they need to do, like this. incidents, I shit you not, occurred within 2 days of each other. I want you all to know it's constant. For us motorcycle riders, it's constant for us to have people trying to maim us with their vehicles. Having no regard for our safety and only caring about how quick they can get to where they're going. It's unacceptable, and it's, you know, it gets people hurt. It gets people hurt. I was hit by a fucking drunk driver on this road where 2 of these people tried to pass me over a double yellow on a blind corner. So, and you know what would have happened in both of those situations? If somebody would have come around the corner, they would have avoided the other car and hit me because I'm way less of a threat to them. So, the whole purpose for today's video is to remind everybody out there to be aware of what you're doing when you're on the road. Not just with motorcycle riders, with everybody. We share the road. Somebody's in front of you and they're not going fast enough for you, let it go. It's not your problem. Ride your own ride. That is the saying in the motorcycle community, ride your own ride. These people wanted me to ride their ride. They wanted me to go the speed that was comfortable for them so that they were happy. It comes back to the fact that we as a society are losing our respect for one another, and everyone is retreating to their tribes. They only care about themselves and their little group. They don't care about that person sitting right next to them on the freeway. So it's really, really, really far past time that everybody pulls this selfish bone out of their fucking ass and we start taking care of each other. I'm tired of getting hit by fucking cars, guys. And I shouldn't have to stop riding my motorcycle because drivers are bad, right? It's not worth it. It's just not worth it. Ask the guy who's in a jail cell right now who hit me who hit me head on. He's still in a jail cell right now over a year later. He's regretted it every single day of his life since. Oh, bees. Bees! I see you, bees! So I apologize if my audio isn't great. It's beautiful out, and I want my lid open. So you're going to have to deal with a little bit of wind noise, I'm sorry. Because it feels so good. The temperature's starting to turn, starting to get towards autumn. I mean, we don't get autumn here in California, but, well, in some places I'm sure they do, but not where I live. Okay, put the lid down. I just had a bug hit my face. I didn't like it. So anyway, the point I'm trying to make is not only to be more mindful of how you're driving around motorcycle riders, it's also be more mindful of how you're driving, period. We all need to be a little more calm and a little more relaxed. We learned that statistic in driver's training that, you know, the difference of like 15 miles per hour is only like 3 seconds, you know? You're going to get to your destination like 3 seconds faster. And it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it to harm somebody just so you can work 3 seconds faster. Makes no sense. Kind of defeats the purpose. You'll probably lose your job if you kill somebody trying to rush to work. So, that's that, Cracker Jack. Anyway, I am headed to The Rock for breakfast because it's where I like to eat, and I'm a creature of habit, and the food is good, and the people are nice, and the locals are respectful to me, and they treat me well. So, we're going there this morning. So ran into took to Ventura the other day was awesome though. Weather was beautiful. It was a gorgeous day. My back killed me by the time I got home though. I was in so much pain. So that's why this ride today is going to be really, really short. It's just me going to the Rock and me going home to then edit this video. Because I'm really behind on getting content out, as you all know. So, anyway, that's my rant today, everybody. Thanks for listening. I appreciate it. As always, I appreciate you hanging out with me. To my followers, you're all rad. You're all ultra rad. We're getting close to 10,000 subscribers. It's really crazy. And it's all thanks to you rad folks who come and hang out with me and then hit that subscribe button. Channel memberships are live. I apologize because I can't lower the price any lower. I tried to take the price down to like 99 cents and it won't let me. So unfortunately, the price of memberships is as low as it possibly can be. It's amazing. It feels so good. La 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 la. Cops don't like it when you don't have your hands on the controls, dude, so I went ahead and put my hands up on the controls so he doesn't get all pissed off and pull me over. Yeah, I saw him from a mile away, dude. I was like, you know what he's gonna do? He's gonna see me with my hands off the controls and he's gonna be like, well, pulling that bitch over. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your memberships. I love you all. I'll see you next time. Gear up and ride safe, everybody.
Special thanks to all my channel members: Demolition Crew, Ruka and Sweet Dream. Wrecking Crew, you all rock.
And use your fucking blinkers. What's the matter with all you folks? So many people don't use their blinkers. Come on, use your blinkers. I saw a bumper sticker one time and it read, "Today is a good day to use your blinker." And I agree with that. Every day is a good day to use your blinker. So use your blinker.